up to the top, love, every day. Paying no mind to taunts or advances, but take my chances on every day, left to right.
Shack for their whole lives. They've never had the opportunity to build their own house because they were poor. It is a wonderful thing that even with a small loan, these people can be assisted. In the 5 years that Kuyasa had been in existence, over 4,000 loans have been issued to the value of more than 20 million rands. We believe that the poorest of the poor are credit-worthy. By supplementing their savings with a loan, they are able to raise above the day-to-day financial constraints and build something that they feel proud of.